Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook login error. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook login error, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook here. You will enter. And when you will see this page, you will go down to click force stop. When you will end this, you will go to click storage. Sorry for that mistake. Apps, and then the application of Facebook. After that, here for stop, and after that you will go to click storage. Then in this page you will go down to click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data. And when you will end this, you will enter to you will turn your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.